Patrick's Day. Yep, we're making fun green Play-Doh that you can eat in a handprint shamrock with your hands like that. Yep. And then we're making a Leprechaun Puppet out of a paper bag. Yeah. And we're doing everything with green since it's St. Patrick's Day. Get started. Yay. A Leprechaun Puppet out of a paper bag. Yeah, we're going to use glue and googly eyes, cool construction paper. We made these cool arms to put on there. We're doing glitter. This part, we gotta paint it first. All right, ready? There you go. Pour it out like this. And then you paint it. Okay? There you go. Paint mine. You only paint on the bottom, because this is his face. You gotta leave that one brown. His face. Yeah. See, like that. Paint it before it dries on up, and then you won't be able to paint it no more. More new paint. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's cool. It's covering it all, huh? There we go.
Whoa, look at that art, Mama.
Wow. Now you have a handprint. Alright, so next we need some glue. So we'll put it right here. There you go. And, oh, not too down. There we go. Oops. Has to go on the glue. There you go. And I'll put mine. Remember to push it down. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh man, you turned mine green with your green fingers. Alright, ready? So this one, we'll put our little eyeballs, okay? Oops, you know what we did? It goes a little bit too...
Oh, yeah.
Alright, here's your eyes. Eyeballs on.
I'm putting on the boat, Mom. Whoa, look at that art, Mama. Oh my, this one is green. Whoa, why not doing?
Put your eyeballs on.
Okay, where's my eyeballs?
Right there.
These ones are getting
Yay, you did it. Right on his head. We're gonna make this his head. Put it right up here. It already is green, silly. See? Like I did. Up here. It's his hat. It needs to go on the glue that I put for you.
Oh, you got art, Mama.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Pretty art. Alright, my face. Alright, my face. A happy face. And then I need a little bit of a nose, okay? Oops, right, like this. Good job! You did it! Alright, we've got to finish our hat now.
We're
We're going to do buttons on the bottom. So right here, oops, hold on. Don't make a mess with this. Hold on, let's put this right here. You grab that, and I'll put this right here.
Don't put it on here, Mama.
Mm-mm.
Oh, you put it on the hat, Mom.
Yeah, that goes right there.
Why, Mama?
Because that's the belt to the hat. Oh, cool. Alright, this is the buckle. This one's going to be a little bit tough. Not too much. Alright, this one goes right in the middle like that. Oops, you put it in the wrong spot. You're supposed to put it right here. That's the belt buckle. Put it on his beard. Alright. Now we have to put our buttons. So let's put 3 dots here. 1. Count it. 1, 2. Not too much. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna make on my buttons. I'm gonna make 4 dots like this. Look, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can do on yours. Let me do on mine. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're supposed to hold it like this. 4 dots in the middle. Okay. You got it. Four on all 4 of them. Like this one. Yep, that means you need 3 more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job.
Make him mad, Mama.
He likes being nice and cool. He doesn't like being sad. St. Patrick's Day is his favorite day, and that means that he loves it. What's your favorite day? Huh?
I love 1 house, and 2 house, and 3 house, 4 house, 2 house, and 3 house, 4 house, 2 house, 3 house, 3 house, and that's all.
That's all. That's all, folks.
Those are all my houses I get, Mom.
Alright, so next we got our arms on. Oops, don't touch that. You have to let it dry or it's not going to stick. Alright, let me put my arms on. Can you help me? Okay, hold on. I got to tape it or else it's not going to stick. Remember? With the tape? Tape it right there. Oh, good job. Our nose. We'll put those noses on here in a minute. Can you help me with this last piece of tape?
We have those already, Mama.
Yeah, but that was supposed to go on top though. Let's make sure we get these on. Here, you want to put yours on? got to make sure that we put the right ones. Let's see. We're holding.
I'm done, Mama. I'm done with mine.
No, you're not done yet. We still have to put the hands on. Put the hand on.
Oh, this is the handprint, Mama.
Yeah. And this one.
There we go. Oh, is there a bus for the ball? Is there a bus for the bus?
That one just dries now. Now we put it upside down. And now we have to put it in the There we go. Alright, leave that like that, and I'm going to put this here. Well, don't put it upside down because we can't have upside down here. And they will wave. Watch. Hi. Yeah, we got an apron on so we don't get messy. Hi guys. We're back. And our next activity is a Shamrock Handprint. Let's get started. So we are starting with our next activity. We're just painting his hand, and then we'll make 2 or 3 handprints. Okay, now lift it. Yeah. Now we gotta do another one. Oh, we're making shamrocks. You know what a shamrock is? Yep. No, you don't. It's these things right there. Or these things. See? It's cool ones. Alright, close your hand. Kind of like that one. There. I'm going to have you put your hand just like that. Hold on. Hold it like that. Hold like that. Like that one. No, not like that. Like that. Yeah, just like that. Now lift it. Cool. Alright, so now we're going to do one more. I don't think my hands are painting. Alright, ready? Close your fingers. Close your fingers. Close your fingers. Close them. There. Leave it. And lift it. There you go. We're going to do you again, right up here. Paint it. Put your hand out. Don't do that, Aaron. So this one, we're going to put right down. Close your fingers. Close your fingers. Press. Not your other hand, not your other hand. Oh. And lift it. Oh, watch out. Lift it. Whoa, that was a good one.
Nothing but you.
Okay, put your hand out like that. This is the last one you do. That one we already did here. We need to do 2 more. Close your fingers. And lift it. Whoa!
I did 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Close your fingers. Close your fingers. And press, press, press. Don't move, don't move. Press, press, press. And not with the other one.
Yeah.
Lift it.
Yeah.
Wow! Look at that one.
I didn't do nothing. Look.
Yeah.
Look on your hand.
No, you didn't do it.
Hi,
Job.
guys.
We're back. And we finished our Shamrock Handprint paint. Yeah, I got some adhesive dots, so these dots are just gonna go right under there. Yep. So just pull it off. You can peel that little piece of sticker off. And take that last sticker off. Now with this one. Okay, you can put that one right here. It is on. It buttons too. There you go. Now this one goes in the corner. Right here. No, we're gonna put that one right here. Like this one. Because it's just decoration. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's thick. Just push it down. Go. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here and make this. Making shamrock. think it's done. Yay! Let's look at it. Oh, you did a cool painting. Yeah. And then you can put your name here too. Let's put our name on it.
Oh, I said.
You know how to spell your name?
I said, okay, Erin. Oh, it's you.
Alright, hold on. Let me put your name. I'm going to put it, your name, and then the year we did it. It's 2021. Okay, let's show it off. We're back. And we are ready to make our last St. Patrick's Day activity. We're making Play-Doh, green Play-Doh. And this Play-Doh you can eat. Yes. So we're gonna make Play-Doh that you can eat. It's made with powdered sugar and frosting. And we're adding green food coloring and some candy treats.
Let's smoke it.
So in here we have 3 cups of powdered sugar and 1 cup of frosting. And we chose buttercream whipped frosting.
Let's put it in.
For this recipe, you can check out the description down below. Good job. Let's get started. Add all our whipped cream frosting, or buttercream whipped frosting, inside our bowl.
Whoa, that's yummy.
Yep, so we're just going to scoop it in there. Hold on, we got to scoop it all in there and then we have to mix it. You want to scoop it? Scoop all of it out there and put it in there for me. No, we're making Play-Doh. You can't eat it yet. We need it for our Play-Doh. So now we'll add our food coloring. Go ahead and add it. Put it in there. A little bit more. There we go. Let's see if that works.
Okay.
What color is it going to turn it?
It's gonna turn it green.
Yeah.
What's out? Oh,
Incoming.
that takes a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Can I take it now, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stir that for me, and I'll stir this one.
Pretty green, Mama.
It is. It's turning cool. It's turning leprechaunish. Make sure you wash your hands so that you can eat this later. Me and Bentley washed our hands, but Bentley, you haven't washed your hands after you put your finger in your mouth. See if that's in there.
Now to eat it now.
Yeah, we still gotta squish it though. Squish it on in there. Sprinkles in our.
Oh, can I eat it now? Oh, that's a big one!
And then you can have this part.
Yummy! Not for my hands, but not for my hands. It's not for my hands. I need the regular one for my hands, Mom.
This is super sweet. You want to taste it? Yeah. Alright, ready?
You take it, Mama.
Alright, let's put this on now. We're back! And we have our yummy Play-Doh that's yummy and edible, ready to go.
And it looks like a tree.
It looks like a shamrock.
Do
you like this one? Yay! We did it!
Now let's eat it.
Now let's eat it.
More! I want more.
Let's taste it. That is yummy. Hi guys! We're back! And we are all done with all of our cool Shamrock ideas for St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, we made Play-Doh, we made puppets. Let's do a high five. Oh, a kiss too? Yay! And then we made a cool painting with Bentley's handprints. So now it's time to say bye. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.